Now, the aim of this week is to jumpstart you into your sketching habit, to get you feeling confident in ink and watercolours. So we're doing a series of quick, short and sharp lessons to give you a flavour for how to progress. Because doing little bits and often is how you will improve and how you will stick with it. Just like starting any new habit. And there's loads to think about. So there's no good spending 3 hours today zapping your brain out and then hating the idea tomorrow. With that in mind, the first couple of minutes today, I'm just going to show you my equipment. And then we will jump in to the first lines we're making, where we'll have a bit of fun. So, first thing I've got, my sketchbook. This is a simple sketchbook. It's got plain white paper, it's got a very light texture to it, which will be handy when we come to our watercolours, but isn't vital, especially if we're just talking about ink. The sketchbook paper itself is quite thick. You can probably see it's almost card-like. And if you are thinking seriously about getting into your sketching, a decent sketchbook is probably the best investment you can make at the beginning, because it will just make things so much easier, no matter what pen or colours you're using. What would be amazing is if you did pick up a sketchbook and just start using it. And then this, for example, is a sketchbook that I used to film the entire of my beginner course. The idea being anyone who joins in with the beginner course will have, similarly, filled up a sketchbook with just fun art by the end of just a few weeks. So there you go, sketchbook, #1 recommendation. Any specifics that you're interested in, just check the supplies tab at the top of the website and you will find exactly what I like to use. Next, and we'll move on, you need some kind of pen. I love using a fountain pen, but that's a big investment. Instead, at the beginning, perhaps a simple fine liner. They come in all sorts of brands, and something like a 0.2 as a fine one, and then you might pick up a 0.5 or a 0.7. That's going to cost you £4 or £5, or $5 or $6 perhaps. Next are colours. I sketch and paint with a few different palettes. This is my let's call it my advanced palette. It's got some Daniel Smith professional colours in. Again, in my beginner course, I just use basic student brand colours. The Cotman colours by Winsor Newton are very good. Next, a few brushes. I've got a range here. I'd recommend having something like a 1 inch or 1/2 inch flat, which I've got here, and then something like a size 10 or size 6 round. And I also have a size 4 round here. These are all synthetic, they're all own brand, they're not expensive. Last but not least, a couple of clips come in handy and a big tub of water. And that's everything that you could possibly need, not just to get started, but really to get going and to start filling up sketchbook after sketchbook with increasingly wonderful art. If you have any questions at any point during this course, send me an email. It's a free course, so I don't jump into the comments very often to answer all the comments here, unlike all the paid and more advanced courses where I answer every single comment. But if you send me an email, I will respond. So drop me an email question.